So hey guys, Jova Keys, kindly bear with our background noise. You have some a little bit of disturb here, but as of recording, we have LaunchZone token airdrop currently being given away. There are loads of participants already. So first of all, you want to add it to your watch list. Just click on the top right hand corner. It's going to say LaunchZone has been added to your watch list successfully. Then all you need to do again is to check out. You can see the market data extract. You can check out the website, and also it has been audited. The project has been audited, and these are the tags, guys. So for the steps, it says they'll be giving out one NFT each to each lucky winner. There are about 8,362 people participating already. So to join this airdrop, you just need to click on this button. It's going to let you know all the major requirements. So you'll be needing your BSC wallet address, Twitter handle, Facebook handle, Telegram handle, and these are the basic requirements that you'll be submitting. So airdrop is going to be ending by February 17th. As of recording, 150 NFTs to be given away to 150 lucky winners. She said Aaron NFTs can be converted into vouchers to be claimed for accommodation at the Aaron retreat over the next 15 years. One NFT that has a level from 1 to 10 represent one farm unit. So guys, okay, for the basic steps, you need to add it to your watch list. When you're done, add it to your watch list. Follow them on Twitter, like, retweet their pin posts, tag at least 3 friends. But guys, you want to tag at least more than 3 friends. If you do have more than 3 friends, because it says at least, so you want to tag, you can tag as much as 100 friends that are interested in crypto airdrops, most especially. And make sure you retweet and pin their post if you can. Most times we do recommend you pin the post of airdrops that are close to the time at which they will start and shortlisting winners, because there are loads of these airdrops, so you want to pin the ones that are close by. But either way, that's just one part of it. That you also want to stay active on these platforms so you get noticed, and hopefully you get picked on the airdrop giveaway. So join LaunchZone's global community, Telegram, and all. Fill the airdrop form. That's it. So guys, peace out. One love, Jubai Keys. Any question? Let us know in comment section. Jubai Keys. Stay tuned for more. One love.